Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa smoothie full guide. Blend 1 cup cooked quinoa with 1 banana, 1 cup milk, 1 cup berries, 1 tablespoon honey, and a handful of ice. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness with more milk or ice. Serve immediately for best texture and freshness, and enjoy a protein-rich drink that works for breakfast, snack, or post-workout recovery. Start by gathering cooked quinoa, a banana, berries, milk, and a sweetener. Choose dairy or plant milk depending on preference. Prepare optional add-ins like protein powder, chia seeds, or spinach for extra nutrients. Measure ingredients slightly under or over to fine-tune thickness. Keep a splash of milk handy to thin the smoothie as needed. Blend in short pulses to reach a silky consistency and serve immediately for best taste. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others discover it. Quick recommendation. I used the Oala water bottle during filming and it kept me hydrated between blends, which makes blending more fun and less messy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by cooking and cooling quinoa so it blends easily and yields a pleasant texture. Add milk first to the blender, then quinoa, banana, berries, and a sweetener to prevent clumping. Start with short pulses to break down solids, then blend on high until the mixture is silky and homogeneous. Taste and tweak sweetness, thickness, or spice. Pour into a glass and garnish optionally with seeds or a berry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.